The imageRUNNER ADVANCE C3500 Series is designed for small businesses and departments within large organizations that need efficient color printing. This series, which replaces the imageRUNNER ADVANCE C3300 Series, consists of two compact models printing at speeds of up to 30 and 25 pages per minute. In this video, I'll be showing you some key elements and features incorporated in these models. Like the other third generation imageRUNNER ADVANCE models, you'll notice a new modern color scheme and a large tablet-like interface. The flat control panel, now larger at 10.1 inches, has a smooth adjustable tilt. While navigating the intuitive interface, users can swipe left and right, up and down, and even drag and drop on select screens. Using the motion sensor, the device is able to detect when you're approaching and recover from sleep mode. Likewise, it can detect when you finish using the device and will return to sleep mode. New to the imageRUNNER ADVANCE C3500 series is a single-pass duplexing automatic document feeder, or ADF, which has a capacity of up to 150 originals. Designed for environments with heavy scanning requirements, the single-pass feeder can scan both sides of a page without reversing the document. This allows for fast scanning of up to 160 images per minute for duplexed pages. The document feeder includes a reminder LED on the original output tray. This light flashes after documents are fed through to remind you to retrieve your originals. The imageRUNNER ADVANCE C3500 series comes standard with two paper drawers and a multi-purpose tray for a paper capacity of up to 1,200 sheets. Cassettes 1 and 2 each hold a maximum of 550 sheets in paper sizes of up to letter and 12 inches by 18 inches respectively. Cassette 2 also supports envelopes with the included envelope feeding attachment. All cassettes for this series feature a handle, requiring only a simple pull motion to open. Easy-to-use guides make it simple to change paper, and the device can automatically recognize the size of the loaded paper. One of two options can be attached to create the base of the unit, a cabinet or a cassette feeding unit. The cabinet provides a convenient space to store toner and/or paper, and does not add any additional paper capacity. The cassette feeding unit adds two additional paper cassettes that hold a combined total of 1,100 sheets and support up to 12-inch by 18-inch paper, bringing the maximum capacity to 2,300 sheets. The multi-purpose tray holds up to 100 sheets and can be used for jobs that require special or one-off media types. It includes auto size detection, eliminating the need to register standard paper sizes when they're placed in the tray. In addition, when paper runs out, there is no need to re-register the size when reloading the same stock. The multi-purpose tray supports up to 110-pound cover. The imageRUNNER ADVANCE C3500 series supports a variety of finishing options. The optional inner finisher provides staple finishing of up to 50 sheets within the same footprint of the main unit. Two trays support a combined capacity of up to 600 sheets. New to this series is the inner shift sorter. This is a cost-effective option that enables offset sorting of multiple copies for environments that don't require stapling. With the imageRUNNER ADVANCE C3500 series, you can choose one of two optional external finishers, the staple finisher AA1 or the booklet finisher AA1. Both are capable of stapling up to 50 sheets, but the booklet finisher also supports saddle-stitched booklet printing. These optional finishers feature two trays and support an output capacity of up to 3,250 sheets. Unlike predecessor models, both external finishers now support hole punching through an optional internal accessory. All finishers come standard with staple-free stapling, which allows you to bind the paper together with pressure rather than metal staples. This helps cut down on staple usage and is easier for users to separate their originals later on. When printing, you can select the staple-free setting from the finishing options within the driver. When copying, you can access this setting from where you select your preferred finishing options. Another benefit of staple-free stapling is that it makes for more efficient stacking. Here we have side by side the same document, 4 pages, 50 sets. As you can see on the right, the staple-free sets take up less space than the traditional staple shown on the left. All finishers also come standard with staple on demand. After scanning multiple pages through the feeder, you can easily re-staple the set right at the device. The inner finisher supports stapling of up to 40 sheets, and the external finishers support stapling of up to 50 sheets. The imageRUNNER ADVANCE C3500 Series includes live-action on-screen demonstrations of how to replace toner and staple cartridges, as well as how to clean the platen glass. This video is showcasing the ease of toner replacement. Simply open the cover, pull out the toner bottle, and place the new toner bottle in. It's as quick and easy as that. When clearing a paper jam, Animations provides simple instructions, zooming in and adjusting the angle of the image to easily see where to complete the necessary task. The Remote Operators Kit comes standard with these models and allows you to operate various functions remotely from a networked PC. As you can see here, many key design enhancements have been incorporated into the imageRUNNER ADVANCE C3500 series. Be sure to view the other videos to learn more about the value-added features of the imageRUNNER ADVANCE product line.